Okay, hello mga kadong Fartals. Ngayon ay may bago tayong reading. So, ang reading natin ngayon ay tungkol sa kung ano nga ba ang mensahe or messages ang gustong iparating sa iyo ng universe. So, sa mga nagdaan na araw ay marami tayong ganap at may kanya-kanya tayong kinagkakagisingan sa buhay. So, ngayon ay may laan tayong oras para makapagparinig at maibigay ang mensahe na nais iparating sa ating universe. So, ngayon, sa ating reading ngayon ay malalaman mo na kung ano nga ba ang mensahe ang nais iparating sa iyo ni universe. So, sa ating reading ngayon ay meron tayong tatlong piles. So, meron tayong pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Pile number 1, we have the 10 peso coin. Pile number 2, we have the 20 peso coin. And pile number 3, we have the 5 peso coin. So, you can use your intuition to pick what pile you want to have for your message today. See you in your reading. Okay, pile number 1, sa mga pumili ng pile number 1, ito na ang reading nyo for today. So, ano nga ba ang message or mensahe ng universe sa inyo ngayong araw na ito? So, pile number 1, ang pinili nyo ay 10 peso coin. So, ano nga bang message ng universe sa inyo? So, pile number 1, as I can sense, mukhang bad trip ka ngayon, mukhang wala kang sa mood, at mukhang naiirita ka. Okay, pile number 1. Meron kang bagay na kinaiirita. Parang ayaw mo nang mabagal, ayaw mo nang kumbaga ayaw mo yung mabagal make up, gusto mo mabilis, halimbawa kung sa trabaho, gusto mo natatapos agad, pag may kausap ka, gusto mo may common sense na nagkakaintindihan kayo agad. So parang napipick up kong energy sa'yo, pile number 1 is like, madali kang mairita, madali kang magalit, madali kang mainis, at sa oras na ito ay mukhang naiinis ka na. So habang nakikinig ka siguro ngayon, pile number 1, na-realize mo na if bad trip ngayong araw na to. Okay, tapos parang gusto mo mag-chill, gusto mo parang kumalma, so ang ginawa mo is nakinig ka ng reading natin. So, yun ang paunang reading sa atin, pile number 1. Nasisense ko yung energy mo na naiirita ka today, nabubusit ka sa ingay, or anything na nasa paligid mo, at makatao, bagay, amoy, or naririnig, gano'n. So, ano nga ba yung message sa iyo, pile number 1 ng universe? So, dito sa pinili mo, we have the 10 peso coin. And as you can see here, pile number 1, before we proceed to the cards, meron siyang scotch tape, okay? So, meron tayong scotch tape na lagay dito sa coin. So, parang ayan, makikita mo, hindi mo mapapansin, ibig sabihin parang hindi mo mapapansin agad. Pero if you would see it, okay, kitang-kita mo na may scotch tape. So, tatanggalin natin siya. Ayan. So, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Tingnan mo ngayon, pile number 1. Nung tinanggal ko tong scotch tape, bakat na ngayon yung itsura nito dito. Okay? So, kumbaga, parang ang tagal mo ng panahon na, kung ano may sitwasyon mo ngayon, ang tagal mo ng panahon na nakastock dyan. Okay? Kung nasaan ka man ngayon, pile number 1, matagal ka nang nakastock dyan. At yun din siguro nagiging dahilan kung bakit madali ka mairita, madali kang mainis. Dahil, kumbaga sa isang bagay na kailangan ng itapon ay pilit mo pa rin tinatabi at ginagamit kahit alam mo nang hindi na pwede. So parang nakastuck ka na dito sa sitwasyon mo na nagiging reason para konting bagay lang umainis ka. So itong nakabalot na to itatapon natin, which is yun ang kailangan mo din gawin. Kailangan mo nang alisin, itapon ang anumang bagay na hindi na nagsiserve for your highest good. Okay, lalo na kung hindi nakaka-serve for your mental health, no? Kasi parang nai-stress ka because of that. So, anong message sa inyo, universe? 8 of Pentacles. So, mukhang busy-busy ka nga, pile number 1. Mukhang madami kang ginagawa sa buhay mo. At kung makikita mo yung itsura ng babae dito, is parang bang naka-bombastic side-eye siya. Parang siyang, busy ako, bakit? Anong kailangan mo? Parang ganun yung dating niya dito, no? Yung parang ikaw, sabi ko nga, yung napipick up kong energy sa'yo, pile number 1 kanina is, parang naiinis, nagagalit. The word is, parang ayaw ma-istorbo. Parang, do not disturb me, I'm busy. Parang gano'n. Parang, sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kind of busy. Parang ganun ka. So, parang wapakels ka sa paligid mo. And on the other hand, dahil wala kang magpakailan sa paligid mo, pag, if you think na parang nadi-disturb ka nila, nabubisit ka talaga ng inis ka. So, ano message sa inyo, universe? Medyo kalmahan mo lang, pile number 1. Kasi, I know you're busy, you're working hard, you have a lot of things to do, okay? Pero, take time, no? One at a time. Huwag masyadong relax lang. Kumbaga pinaka-message sa inyo, universe, as I can hear, is relax ka lang. Okay, kalma lang. Okay? So, next, we have Four of Cups. Ayan. Kasi parang, you are building something, pile number 1. Parang meron kang gustong i-build, pile number 1, na bagay sa buhay mo. And parang nagmamadali kang gawin yun. In a sense na, I want to have it now. Parang ganon. Kasi you feel like you're stuck na nga. You feel stuck, you feel like, anong nangyari sa life ko? Parang walang nangyaring pagbabago. So, parang feeling mo, you're running out of time. So, dahil doon, nagmamadali ka, busy ka, kumbaga sa talagang yung pagod mo, hindi lang basta pagod, talagang dinodoble mo, para lang magawa mo yung dapat mong magawa at matapos. So, kung makikita mo dito, Four of Cups, you have other three na dito, pero malungkot ka pa din. Bakit? Kasi nga meron kang goal na gustong kunin sa buhay mo. Okay? And, we will find out soon kung ano nga ba yung goal na yun, kung bakit malungkot ka pa din. Despite of, you have a lot of things in your plate, kumbaga, ang dami yung bagay na meron ka na sa buhay mo. Kaya nga, 10 of coin din ang nakuha mo, diba? 10 peso coin. So, as I could see here, parang stability-wise, parang papunta ka na doon, pero you're striving harder pa. Bakit kaya? Okay, let's find out. Next, Ace of Cups. Okay. Alam mo pile number 1, ang gusto sabihin sa inyo ni Universe, ito ang ating kanina. So, ang gustong ano yung sa atin ni Universe sa'yo, pile number 1 is, ano man yung mga ginagawa mo sa life ngayon, it could manifest in your life in a good way. Okay? As long na okay ka, not just physically, could be also yung emotion din, emotionally, spiritually, mentally, kumbaga, full dimension of yourself, no? Kailangan okay ka. Kasi Ace of Cups is about emotions. Okay? Magiging maayos din naman daw ang lahat. Parang number 1. Pero kalmahan mo lang daw, okay? Next, you have the Justice and Reverse. Okay. So, gets ko na kung bakit parang, parang nagmamadali ka. Kasi parang, you feel like, feeling mo parang hindi ka, hindi mo nakukuha yung deserve mo makuha. Okay? So, parang with that, parang nagmamadali ka in a sense na natatakot ka na hindi mo na makuha yung bagay na yun, or in a sense na baka maunahan ka ng iba or hindi na maibigay sa'yo. Okay? So, inaayos ko lang itong ano natin. Siguro gano'n ka kasi tao, habang nakikinig ka ngayon, may mga ginagawa ka, may inaayos ka, merong, tsaka nasa-sense ko sa'yo may pagkaano ka din parang, gusto sa tao yan. Yung pag may ginagawa pang iba, you are kind of like that person. Okay? Ano ba tawag doon? What do you call this one? Kasi, yung parang, nagdo-double task ka. Okay? Tapos madali ka mairita talaga. So, yun yung pinaka-nagsisense ko sa'yo. File number 1. Madali ka mairita, madali ka mainis, madali ka magalit, pag hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mo, or hindi magiging successful yung pinaplano mo. Okay? So, ang plano ni Universe sa'yo ay maging maayos ang buhay mo. Okay? At kung yung justice na iniisip mo ay hindi mo makukuha, actually, sa nakikita ko dito is, you just need to trust kung ano man ang ibibigay sa inyo Universe. Kasi parang pinangungunahan siya in a way na parang hindi naman nangyari sa'yo. Pero, so, file number 1, mukhang may tutulong sa'yo dito. So, kung yung justice na tinutukoy mo is parang wala na mangyayari, mukhang may tutulong sa'yo dito. And I can see na maaaring ito ay isang lalaki, na isang pentacles din, maaaring parehas kayo. Kasi I could see na mukhang isa kang, not air sign, but an earth sign. Mukha kang earth sign, so maaaring isa kang Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, at yung tutulong sa'yo ay mukhang earth sign din. Okay? So, kailangan lang natin kalmahin yung ating emotion. Five of Swords in reverse. Wala kang dapat katakutan. Walang nangaaway sa'yo. Walang nagagalit sa'yo. At walang mangyaring masama. Parang meron kang kinakatakutan. Okay, parang naghahanda ka sa, parang kanino. Wala naman dapat. King of Swords in reverse. Baka dahil dito. Okay, baka dahil dito. Okay, baka feeling mo, babalikan ka ng ex mo, tapos guguluhin ka niya. Possible ito siyang air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. Pero hindi. Wala kang dapat ikabahala. Okay, kung love to, nakikita ko, makakatuluyan ng isang earth sign, hindi air sign. So, iwas ka muna sa mga earth sign. The moon in reverse, okay, medyo komplikado nga talaga yung emotion mo ngayon. File number 1. So, ang pinaka-message sa iyo ng universe, file number 1 is, relax ka lang, be grateful for everything you have right now. File number 1, maging grateful ka kung ano meron ka ngayon. Huwag mong isipin na laging may kulang. Tandaan mo na kung ano meron ka ngayon, yun ang kailangan mo ngayon. At sapat na yun para mabuhay ka sa ngayon. Okay? So, file number 1, I think that will be your reading. And before we leave we'll end this reading, we'll have, let's have muna a message for an oracle card, the rose card. So, open ko to para sa'yo. Kasi nakikita ko, nagmamadali ka din file number 1. Parang, I want direct to the point. Kaya direct to the point din ako nagsasabi sa'yo. Kasi you need that and want that. The rose card then, sabi dito, innocence, forgiveness, be gentle with yourself. O, diba? File number 1. Innocence, forgiveness, be gentle with yourself. So, meaning, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? This is your final card. In this card, sinasabi niya, the innocence within you, kailangan mailabas mo ulit. Okay, just like a child, no? Mag-enjoy ka ulit, magsaya ka ulit. Forgiveness, again, spiritual aspect. If we don't accept God in our life, no? Mahihirapan talaga tayo mag-forgive. And if we don't have relationship with him. But I know, it's not that easy. Especially kung talaga nasaktan ka ng tao na to. Si King of Swords. Lalo na ko kasi, swords to eh. Siguro may nasabi to na masasakit na salita sa'yo. At talagang nasaktan ka. Kaya hindi mo pa siya ma-forgive. But again, be gentle with yourself. Let's say, hindi mo pa siya ma-forgive for now, but pray for it. And then, forgive yourself. Kung hindi mo siya ma-forgive, at least forgive yourself. And then, be gentle with yourself, no? Kailangan, kalma ka lang. Relax ka lang. Kasi, hindi mo na realize, baka sarili mo na pala yung nasasaktan. So, be gentle with yourself. File number 1. Okay, so that's all for your reading file number 1. And we'll see you again in our next upcoming readings. Bye! Okay, hello, pile number 2. So, pile number 2 sa mga pumili ng pile number 2, this reading is for you. So, ano nga ba ang message or mensahe na nais iparating sa iyong universe for the upcoming life? Ang upcoming life? Oh, narinig mo ba yung siren na yun? Mukhang may paparating sa iyo pile number 2, emergency. Okay? Parang merong emergency, nagmamadali, or merong paparating na bago sa buhay mo. Ngayon, pile number 2, okay? Pero I don't know what's that. Now, we'll find it later kung ano nga ba yun, pile number 2. But I hope it's good and it's not bad, okay? Kasi we know that sound, di ba? Yung sound na yan. More on because of, could be an ambulance or, I think ambulance, no? Ambulance siren yun. So, I hope it's not about bad things. Or kung meron bang bad, baka pinag-iingat ka. Okay, siguro number 1 dito is your health. Pile number 2, you need to be very particular on focusing your health. Pile number 2. Okay? Dapat very particular ka when it comes to your health. Okay? So, pile number 2, yun ang unang message sa'yo. Emergency, wag naman sana mapunta ka sa emergency room at may mangyari sa'yo masama. So, careful ka, careful. Yun ang pinaka-message sa'yo. Okay, Knight of Wands. Okay, Knight of Wands. So, may mabilis. So, may mabilis ng pangyayari. So, pwede din naman yung symbol ng ambulance siren kanina is like, parang may mabilis na may paparating na bago sa buhay mo. Okay? It could be like that. Kasi may Knight of Wands din tayo. So, mabilis din to. But it's not, hindi siya ganun kabilis as in the air sign. Pero, mabilis din to. Siguro top 1 yung air sa fastest yon. Then, followed by once possible. Yeah. Tapos water then earth. Earth yung pinakamabagal eh. Okay? Five of Cups. Malungkot ka ba ngayon? Pile number 2? Or, ay wait lang. So, pile number 2, pinag-iingat ka dito sa health. Pile number 2, anong ginagawa mo sa sarili mo? Okay ka lang ba ngayon? Pile number 2, mukhang broken heart. I could not say broken hearted ka, pero kasi cups to, naglalasing ka ba? Pile number 2, are you drinking something that is not good for your health? Okay? Are you wasting your emotion to someone else or to somebody who doesn't invest in you? Okay, are you investing your emotion to someone na hindi dapat? So, kasi cups to parang nasayang, natapon. Okay, at malungkot ka dito, hindi mo kayang harapin, pile number 2. Okay, so careful ka, again, health. Health ang pinaka-pinapriority dito sa reading mo, pile number 2. So, kung may binabala ka man or pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo is, magsasuffer talaga yung health mo. So, you need to be careful, pile number 2. Okay, again, this is just a message. Walang sugarcoating, though sometimes I quote some words para hindi tayo masyadong ma-violate doon or ma-violate yung mga words na hindi dapat to this video, but as honest as possible, okay, which is I'm always honest with your reading. This is what I'm telling to you, pile number 2. If you're doing something which is not good for your body, stop it na. Okay, as soon as possible, stop it na. Queen of Swords in reverse, ayan o. Your mind right now, pile number 2, is not in a good state. Pile number 2, again, so ulitin ko, your mind right now is not in a good state. So meaning, complicated ngayon ang mga nangyayari sa loob ng utak mo. Okay, so you're not in your good state talaga. So you probably do some things that are not good or appropriate for your health, no? Stress ka masyado. Kasi nakabalik na dito si Queen of Swords. Or possible na hindi, wala yung clarity na kailangan mo. You're not, you want that clarity pero hindi mo siya mahanap kasi nga you're not in a good state of your mind right now, even your emotions. Syempre mag-connected naman dalawang yan, di ba? So ano kinalaman nitong Knight of Wands? Yung gusto kong malaman, bakit yun ang unang nilabas sa card na to? Isang Knight of Wands. Sinaktan ka ba ng isang fire sign? Pile number 2, sinaktan ka ba ng isang fire sign? Sinaktan ka ba ng isang Knight of Wands? Kasi ang isang Knight of Wands, hindi pa ganun ka-matured yan. So, possible medyo na-broken ka dito. No? So, let's see. Let's find out more kung ano ba. Pero ang pinaka-message sa universe, babalik lang tayo sa tanong natin for our reading today is, ano nga bang message niya? Focus on your health. Okay, number 1 yun. Priority your health. Okay, King of Wands in reverse. Kanina, Knight of Wands. Ngayon naman, King of Wands in reverse. Isang Knight of Wands na naka-upright at isang King of Wands in reverse. May pagsisisi ka bang na nagaganap ba meron bang nagaganap na pagsisisi ngayon sa iyong buhay? Pile number 2 na para bang mas pinili mo si Knight of Wands kaysa kay King of Wands? Or you're still contemplating na, okay, pile number 2 ang nakikita ko sa iyo is para bang nagko-contemplate ka dito but not in a good way kasi parang you want to let go this guy, pero ang nakikita mo is, what if magbago siya? What if maging maayos siya someday? Baka pwede naman, baka okay lang naman to. Hindi siya okay. So, what you see right now, pile number 2, if it's not okay, it's not okay. Huwag kang mag-illusion. I think you're just nag-illusion ka na parang magiging maayos ang lahat at magiging okay din siya, magbabago siya. Hindi siya magbabago. He still be the same. Okay? At kung hindi mo siya bibitawan at kung hindi mo siya iiwan, pile number 2, nothing could change at ang magsasuffer lang ay yung health mo. Okay, pile number 2. I think broken-hearted ka dito. At nasaktan ka ng isang fire sign. It will be a Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. So, alin man doon sa mga yon. Probably, yun ang sign ng lalaking nanakit sa'yo. Okay? So, kung nag-iisip ka na, sayang naman yung relationship namin, matagal na kami, or sayang naman, kahit pa paano, nagbago siya nung naging kami. Dati ganito siya, nagbago. Hindi na. Pile number 2, it's not like that. Okay? What you've seen right now, okay, nakasama mo siya, totoo yun, at yun yun. Hindi mo na kailangan i-sugarcoat. Huwag mo na i-sugarcoat. No? So, pile number 2. Grabe, no? Grabe yung pinagdadaanan mo. Pile number 2. Broken-hearted ka na. 10 of Wands. O, isang Wands na naman. Ayan, no? Umaasa ka talaga. You know what? Pile number 2. Umaasa ka. Umaasa ka talaga sa kanya. Which is not. Okay? Dapat hindi dapat. Okay? Umaasa ka pa din na mamahalin ka niya. Pile number 2. Pero ito ha, ang pile number 2. Kasi ang reading natin ngayon is, ano ba ang message ni universe sa'yo? Ang message ni universe sa'yo is prioritize your health. So, pag sinabi natin health, in any kind of form of health, any state of health, it could be your mind, your soul, your emotion, your physical, lahat. So, kung itong taong to ang nagiging reason, bakit ka mai-stress, bakit ka magkakasakit, bakit mapapabayaan mo sarili mo, bakit hindi magiging maayos ang pag-iisip mo, then leave this person. Iwanan mo na siya, tigilan mo na ang pag-iilusyon mo na magiging okay pa kayo at magiging maayos kayo. Hindi na pile number 2. Huwag ka nang umasa. Okay? So, pile number 2, it's so direct. Okay? Sorry for the words, but that's the universe wants to tell you. Huwag ka na daw umasa. Umaasa ka pa din eh. Hopeful ka pa din. Oh, 6 of Pentacles. But it's in reverse. Ayan, no? Look at this 6 of Pentacles, file number 2. Ang 6 of Pentacles kasi, nagbibigay ka. You're giving something. Okay? But it's in reverse. So, meaning, you just give, but you did not receive anything in return. Bigay ka lang ng bigay, give ka ng give ng pagmamahal sa kanya, pero walang nababalik na pagmamahal sa'yo. So, alam mo nung sayang, you're investing something, or you're investing to someone who doesn't invest in you as well. Okay, dapat ano yan, vice versa. Okay, hindi naman pwede sa relationship na isa lang ang nagbibigay at paulit-ulit na ganun lang. Hindi pwede yun. Okay? So, kailangan mo nang tigilan yan. Knight of Swords. Okay, Knight of Swords. Ayan, nag-iisip ka. Nag-iisip ka ngayon, nakatalikod ka, napansin mo. Halos nakatalikod ka dito. At kung nakaharap ka man, nakapikit ka. Okay? Pero ito, nakadilat. Ito pero nakabaliktad naman. No? Ito, this Knight of Wands, this is not you actually. This is a different person. This is the person that na you're dealing with. And as I can see here, mukhang, ano siya, playboy or hindi lang ikaw kasi, no? Madami kayo. Kumbaga, malakas ang dating niya talaga sa mga babae. At hindi lang naman ikaw. Madami kayo. So, dito, parang nag-iisip ka na eh. So, Knight of Swords, parang nag-iisip ka kung should I go with this relationship or should I end this? So, light like a girl. Oh, di ba? Chill lang, relax lang. Nagko-contemplate ka eh. Kumbaga, parang, I need to know. Kasi alam mo, you know what, pile number 2, you know it na eh. What you're asking pa? Ano pang tinatanong mo? Ano pang kailangan mong makitang sign? Yung harap-harapan, ipapakita sa'yo na niloloko ka niya, which I think somehow parang nangyari na sa'yo yun eh. Or kung hindi man, siguro sinusugarcoat or nagbubulag-bulagan ka lang or nagbibingi-bingihan ka lang. Okay? And I think hindi lang naman ikaw nakakita nito. Maybe there are other people who are concerned with you na sinabihan ka na din. Pero parang bulag na nakatakip ang mga mata mo, na nakatalikod ka, hindi mo tinitingnan eh. Hindi mo hinaharap. Which is totoo naman na pinapakita sa'yo na hindi siya totoo sa'yo. Okay? So, if the universe would give you an advice on how to deal with this relationship, end it as soon as possible. End it. So, meaning, tapusin mo na as soon as possible. Kasi, kung hindi, narinig mo, sa unang reading pa lang natin, emergency call, I hope na hindi mangyari sa'yo yun, no? Yung may mangyari sa'yo masama because of this. Three of Swords, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ka lang nag-iisa sa buhay niya. Madami kayo. Okay, so may third party. Kung ang tinatanong mo kung may third party bang involved, yes, meron. Kung ang tinatanong mo is, meron bang iba maliban sa akin? Yes, meron. Pero kasi dito, yung Three of Swords natin, nakabaliktad siya. So, it could be, ibig sabihin nito ay, hindi tungkol sa third party. Pero again, when we say third party, it's not just about a person naman eh. Okay? Bakit ito naka-in reverse? Kasi nga, in denial ka eh. Kita mo? Meron talaga siyang iba. At pinakita na sa cards. Pero dahil napakalakas ng presence ng emotion mo, no? Naka-in reverse siyang lumabas. Bakit? It's because you don't want to face it. You don't want to accept the truth na hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. So, hindi kayo. Okay? Kailangan mong tanggapin, ito, binibigay sa atin ng universe, ano to? Queen of Wands. In reverse. Feeling mo ikaw ate magiging partner niya kasi Queen, King of Wands siya, pero ikaw Queen of Wands in reverse ka. So, hindi talaga kayo magmamatch. Okay? You're not a match. You're not a perfect couple. No? So, hindi kayo pwede magsama. Kasi, disaster mangyayari sa life mo. Sa life mo. Two of Wands. So, puro Wands. So, maaaring isang Wands talaga ang nanakit sa'yo. Isang fire sign talaga. Pero this Wands is in reverse. So, hindi ka talaga okay ngayon, pile number 2. Alam mo, ang mapapayo ko sa'yo, pile number 2, kung umiinom ka ngayon ng hindi magagandang bagay, at pinapasok mo to sa loob ng katawan mo para you will feel good or to remove all the hurt that you are feeling right now, or gusto mo makalimutan yung masasakit, it doesn't benefit you. And it will never help you in any way. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, pile number 2, the best medicine that you can take is to leave that person. Iwanan mo na siya. Okay, give up ka na. Isuko mo na. Ipag-pray mo na yan kay Lord na it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Hindi pwedeng in between. It's either oo, hindi. Hindi siya pwedeng 50-50. Okay? At sa nakikita ko dito, sinasabi ni universe sa'yo, hindi pwedeng maging kayo. Hindi siya ang forever mo. Okay? So, let's find out more. May darating ba? Kasi parang malungkot ka talaga eh. Baka you're asking, may darating ba kung sakaling wala? O, 6 of Wands, in reverse, ay, niloloko ka lang talaga ng taong to. Huwag ka magbulag-bulagan. Tingnan mo nakatakip yung isang okay? Most of our cards, kung mapapansin mo, in reverse. Bakit? Kasi it's about your emotions. Most of our cards are in reverse. Kasi nga may mga bagay ka na hindi mo tinatanggap, hindi mo ina-accept. Kaya magbulag-bulagan ka. So, pile number 2, advice again, prioritize your health. Okay? Especially your mental health. Okay, let's end this with, or I want to use the message of life. Okay? Let's use this messages of life. So, ano bang messages, or ano bang message ang gusto nyo ibigay sa'yo ni universe before we end this reading? Oops. Sige, let's have another. Oops, ang dami Ang daming gustong ibigay sa'yo message. So, ano yon? A door to the infinite, consciousness, and self-love. Diba? A door to infinite. At my heart center, there is a door that leads to the infinite. Today, I visit my heart center and open that doors. As I enter, I experience a deep sense of serenity. And I understand that I am eternal, that I am indestructible. From here, I can see beyond my life's challenges to the higher levels of my existence. I know now that my inner light is infinite. Baka nakakalimutan mo na you have light within you. Okay? File number 2. Another message for you, pile number 2, consciousness. Today, I pay attention to every thought and feelings that I manifest. My outer world reflects my inner consciousness. I pour the light of my awareness on my most constructive thoughts so they will grow and produce the experiences I want. Mindful of what I create in this universe, I become an expression of divine light. And last message for you, pile number 2, self-love. Today, I love myself fully. I accept myself exactly as I am. I am able to recognize my own divinity and to appreciate the purity of my soul. I take the time to care for myself. I enjoy myself. I nourish myself. I am kind to myself. I am grateful for who I am. Remember to self-love, pile number 2. You need that. You need to be grateful for who you are. Okay? There's a lot of men in the world, pile number 2. Okay? Hindi siya nag-iisa. And I hope siya na lang ang huli lalaki o una't huling lalaking mananakit sa'yo. Okay, pile number 2. And for your, before we end this video or this reading, pile number 2, just a reminder to focus on your health. Napapabayaan mo sarili mo because of this guy. And I hope in our next reading, if I could pick up your energy again, it will be better. Okay? So, pile number 2, thank you for your time. Thank you for your reading. Thank you for trusting me to read your message. So, thank you, pile number 2, and we'll see you again in our next upcoming readings. Bye! Okay, pile number 3, agad may lumabas na card na sa'yo, agad-agad. Pero hindi pa natin bubuksan yan. Okay? So, pile number 3, as I shuffle your cards, mayroon agad na message sa'yo, pakabilis. Okay? So, pile number 3, if you chose this pile number 3, this reading is for you. So, ano nga ba ang message sa'yo ni Universe pile number 3? So, first one, this card. Oh, the Hangman, but it's in reverse. Wow, pile number 3, you are no longer hanging. Hindi ka na kumbaga hindi ka na nagko-contemplate ng super tagal in your life. So, para bang you have decided na. Okay, you are no longer hanging. Okay, in your emotions, in your thoughts. So, okay yung mind mo ngayon. Okay, as far as we have now. Judgment in reverse. Okay. And the 9 of Wands in reverse. Okay. So, parang nasaktan ka din. Oo. Nagkasakit ka ba? Oo, may gamot to. Nagkasakit. Okay. Parang, pero at least dito, I hope hindi to connected sa mga nabasa kong reading na sunod-sunod from pile number 1, pile number 2, and then it ended up like this. I hope it's not like that, no? Pile number 2, nakikinig ka ngayon sa pile number 3. Ako, makinig ka na talaga at sasabihin ko sa'yo, huwag ka matigas ng ulo. You will end up talaga in misery. Magkakasakit ka, malala, hospital kapag di ka umayos. Pile number 2, kung nakikinig ka, pumunta sa pile number 3. Okay, so for the pile number 3 na nakikinig ngayon, okay, sa reading yun. Okay, strength in reverse. Okay. The Hangman, kasi pag sinabi natin Hangman, it's like parang you are deciding to something. At parang bang nalilito ka pa and you need to pause. But this time, you are no longer pausing. And I could see here, kung totoo parang medyo pangit nga yung cards mo eh. Pero, as I can see here, parang you surrender. The correct word is, you surrender. Ay, sumuko ka na, sa wakas. Ulitin ko lang kung galing ka sa pile number 2. Sa wakas, sumuko ka na din. No? Pero huwag mo na hintayin yung may mangyari pang masama sa'yo bago mo ma-realize. So, dito pile number 3, in general, sa mga pumili ng pile number 3, meron kang surrendering na nangyari. It could be you surrender your life to God, no? At whatever happens to you, hindi mo maganda ang lahat na nangyari sa buhay mo because you surrender it to Him, you trust Him, and whatever happens, you believe it will be okay, everything will be good. Okay? It will never end as bad, no? Kumbaga, maybe it's bad today, but it will end. Okay? Parang ganun. So, parang you are surrendering na. You are no longer in a way na parang, no, I need to do this, I need to prove this, I need to be like this. No, you're not like that anymore. Parang you surrender everything to Him na. Parang you believe in God na. Kumbaga masasabi ko ngayon, pile number 3, you have a relationship with God na ngayon. So, nakikita ko. Sa mga pile number 3 na nakikinig ngayon, I could see and I could feel you have relationship na talaga kay God. And that's very nice or very good, no? Apakaganda nun. So, anong message sa'yo ng universe? Gusto sabihin ng universe sa'yo na, thank you for trusting, no? Thank you for surrendering your life, okay, to our Almighty God. Na whatever happens, even it's good, even it's in your favor or not, even magkasakit ka, may mangyari hindi maganda, even mahina ka, because you believe in God, nothing is impossible and everything will be worth it, okay? At the right time, pagdating niya. So, parang napapanahon, no? Kasi parang katatapos lang ng Holy Week. Okay, parang itong nagdaan na Holy Week sa'yo, parang napakabigat. Not in a way na bigat na parang bang, let's say mabigat, pero yung bigat na parang ang pinag-isipan mo siyang mabuti, dala-dala mo siya. And then, nung natapos mong gawin yung pagninilay-nilay mo ng Holy Week na ito, itong buwan na to, is parang ang gaan na sa pakiramdam. Parang na-surrender mo na sila. That's good. That's so good. 9 of Cups. But this one is in reverse. O, sabi ko nga, madami ka ditong 9 of Cups. And you know what? In numerology, when you say 9, it's about ending. Okay? So, there are a lot of things would end in your life in a positive way. Maybe it sounds bad, no? Halimbawa, meron nag-end na relationship sa'yo sa friendship mo. Pero it ends because that person doesn't worth you or doesn't worth your time anymore. Kumbaga, that person doesn't serve the highest good for you na. Kumbaga, hanggang doon na lang yung chapter niya talaga sa life mo. Okay? Or could be, let's say, kung dati may sakit ka, nag-end na, gumaling ka na, there's an ending. Okay, pero sabi dito push, pero it's in reverse. So meaning, do not push it anymore. You are no longer pushing anything. Kumbaga, dati kasi control freak ka eh. You always pushing the button. You always push yourself to the limit. Okay? To the extent na parang bang, hindi na maganda. Pero ngayon, hindi ka na ganon. That's very good. Okay? Ang ganda nun. The Empress in reverse. Ayan. So, kung dati very particular ka when it comes to your looks, kailangan maganda ako, kailangan maayos ako, kailangan ganyan ako. Ngayon, wala. You don't care. It doesn't mean na you don't care in a way na wala ka nang pakialam sa sarili mo. What I mean is, it doesn't bother you anymore na, should I look like this ba? Should I need to be like this? No, you're not like that anymore. 4 of Swords in reverse. Okay? Ayan. So, prayerful ka na talaga. Pile number 3. Ang ganda ng reading mo, pile number 3. There's a lot of things end in your life, pero in a good way. Maybe it hurts you at first, pero you would realize in the long run na, that's why it happened pala, no? Kasi it's like this and like that. So, that's so very good. 8 of Wands in reverse. Oh, ang daming success na mangyari sa life mo. Ayan, no? So, wala kang dapat ikatakot, wala kang dapat ikahinayang. Pile number, ang dami. 7 of Swords and 8 of Swords. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Di ba, meron mga success na darating sa'yo. Siyempre, hindi naman mawawala sa buhay yung mga naiinggit, naiinis, mga taong gustong i-deceive ka, kunin sa'yo yon. But then again, pile number 3, you are no longer unbothered ka na sa mga ganyan tao. Kasi nga, you surrender everything na. You believe that whatever happens in your life, di ba, you believe as well sa do unto others what you want others to do unto you. So, parang, if they did that to me, okay, I will not do that to them, but who knows? God knows, di ba? Hindi natin alam. So, I'm not saying it's karma, pero possible it's karma because karma is real. Okay, 2 of Cups. Ayan. So, kumaga deadlock sa bashers, deadlock sa mga bad energies, wala ka nang pakialam, and you're starting building yourself again. Okay, possible you have a new friend na makikilala or meron kang isang friend, isang water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and sa mga water, Scorpio na nandyan para sa'yo. Okay, hindi mo kayo pares ng vibes, hindi mo kayo pares ng outfit palagi, iba yung taste nyo. So, magkaiba kayo ng taste, pero you're really good friends. Okay, possible na makilala mo siya, or bago to, or matagal mo ng friend to, at na-realize mo na siya pala talagang totoo sa'yo. Then, the Hermit. Ayan. Hermit, upright, and the Fool in reverse. Alam mo, nakikita ko sa reading mo, pile number 3. Mayroon kang bagay na inalis na sa buhay mo, na napakaganda. I think it could be a bad behavior, a toxic trait that you have, whatever it is, pile number 3. It really serves you in a good way. And God is so happy for that. The world in reverse. Again, even the world is not good, you're in the bottom, you're on the top, your side views, whatever it is, you're still trusting Him. And that is very good. 10 of Cups in reverse. Ulitin ko lang. Dahil nga maraming ending na mangyayari, so possible na may mga bagay ka na hindi inaasahan na mangyayari at mapapaisip ka na, okay pa ba to? Possible hindi siya okay. Pero, again, because you trust God, everything will be okay. And Five of Wands in reverse. So, you're tossing it everything. Okay? But not in a way na, Five of Wands kasi possible na may mga tao talaga. Hindi mawawala yung hatred, no? Lalo yung panahon ngayon. So, Ace of Pentacles. So, there's a new beginning would happen in your life. But, it's not that easy na darating. Like, what I've said is a pentacle. So, meaning, hindi siya agad-agad mangyari sa'yo. Okay? Parang it takes like a year before it happen talaga. Or it could take a month or months. Possible. Pero pwedeng year. Okay? Pile number 3. Pwedeng umabot ng taon. So, pile number 3, kung ano man nangyayari sa life mo ngayon, ang gusto lang message sa'yo ni universe is, ipagpatuloy mo. If you started believing, if you started putting your trust in Him, to our Almighty God, then don't stop. Keep going, okay? Be still. Sabi nga, be still and know you're my God. Okay? So, ano bang messages sa'yo ng ating Crystal Angels Oracle cards? So, bubunot ako dito sa ating, before we end this video, or this reading, I would pick. So, I'll put randomly, I would pick kung ano bang message pa sa'yo. We have the Sapphire. So, easy, that's it. Your health, happiness, and abundance require a gentle approach to life and work. So, easy does it. So, as you go along with your life na, kumbaga, di ba, a new journey na to sa buhay mo dahil there's a lot of things end na, ang dami nang natapos. At kumbaga, nagsisimula ka ulit ng panibago sa buhay mo, back to zero ka again. But, in a new perspective, parang it's a new life sa'yo. So, pinapaalala sa ni universe na do it in an easy way. Okay? Huwag mo naman masyadong i-pressure ang sarili mo. Hindi naman porket you believe in God na ngayon, kailangan mo i-pressure sa sarili mo na I need to be 100% like this. There are times na madadapa tayo, like what you've seen in your cards. There are a lot of things would happen in your life as you walk through the path. Okay? Doon sa path na dapat daanan ng lahat. But again, it's not that easy path. Okay? There will be a lot of temptations, a lot of arguments, disagreements, or anything na could poison you, no? But you need to be careful with that. Kaya nga, sabi dito, easy does it. Relax lang, easy ka lang. Okay? Huwag mo masyadong i-pressure sa sarili mo. Kung madapa ka man, tayo ka na lang ulit. Okay? Because God loves you. Always. So, thank you for your trusting. Thank you for trusting me in reading your messages for today, pile number 3. And again, remember this, that God always loves you. Okay? So, pile number 3, we'll see you again in your next upcoming readings. Bye!